everyone. Thanks for taking a few moments from your busy day and coming to spend it with me. And today I have my Mint Mongoose for August 2020. Excited about this. I'm hoping my extras, I bought a few extras. She was having a sale. I hope they're inside here. So this is a little sneak peek into the bag. And I'm going to take everything out. Mint Mongoose is a monthly jewelry subscription. You get to choose your metal, silver, gold, or rose gold. You get a free gift every 3 months that you are an active subscriber. They take care of it. You don't have to notify them. They just send it along with your bag. I get the regular Mint Mongoose, which is $12 a month plus shipping. You get 3 pieces of jewelry. Then there's Mint Mongoose Black, $22.99 free shipping. You get 4 pieces of jewelry and 2 accessories. So in true fashion, this is what I have. So maybe I do have my extras. You get a Werther's Original in every bag, which is delicious. Love them. So I'll save this for last. And this is nicely packaged. I see a little card right here. Cute little card. Caution. After wrapping your gems in tissue, we realized some of the earring posts were protruding out of the tissue. Please be mindful of this when you unpack your new pieces and careful not to prick your finger. Oh, that was very nice. Helena sent a little, a little caution card. Cute. She didn't have to do that. And then we now get a little card, like postcard style, that tells you the inspiration for the set. So that's it right here. Very cute card. I mean, you could, I could put them on my board. You could frame them if it's something you like, but very, very nice. Happy with that. So we're going to get into this. Things are, I know my hands get weaker and weaker, but okay, that was relatively easy to open. So in this envelope, right here, I'm just going to put this to the side. You always get a thank you card every single bag. Greatly appreciated. That speaks a lot for Helena, the owner of this company, that she's thoughtful enough to appreciate and thank her customers each and every bag. And so this is how you get your jewelry wrapped up nicely. And we'll just rip into that. Packaged beautifully every single time. I think only 1 month I had an issue where something was damaged and she replaced it right away. It was not a big deal. And my dog is down smelling every bag that there is. Gotta be careful with all this paper. So these are the pieces that I see right here, and they're always wrapped nicely with the Mint Mongoose little tag on it. And we're just going to get right into it and see what we have here this month. And I can never figure out how to get in these, literally. I mean, you can see it, but I can't always get it. Okay. So it's in like a sealed plastic bag, and then it comes in like a little little tiny bubble like satchel type thing, just to protect it that little bit more. And with the heat from shipping, these are like sealing closed. So let's get in that and see what we have here. This looks like it's the necklace for this set. Well, that's really pretty, and that can be worn both sides, I think. Okay, let me just it's a little tangled here. Okay, there we go. Let's just get this untangled. This is pretty. Okay. So, there's always the lobster claw clasp here and the extenders. So you have, oh, let's see, that's still a little twisted here. I'll have to undo that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, because there's one here. So there's 4 little settings. You always have the Mint Mongoose little tab hanging there. Let me see if I can fix that. That's, if I can. A little twisty, sometimes you just have to work it out. Okay, so now that's pretty much worked out. And this is a little bit longer of a necklace right here. And I'm just going to put this on my little tiny thing here so that you guys can see the pendant part. And then I'll show you the other side. So this is what this looks like. Very cute, very iridescent, nice movement. The colors, I mean, I guess they're going to change because there's almost like a goldish, little bit of pink maybe, and some blues and silver. And I guess maybe depending on what you wear or not, you can see that there is an opening there. And, I mean, it flipped over on its own, but look at the other side. I mean, I guess if it flipped over, or you could have it go that way if you chose, because the silver is beautiful. I mean, this is really, really nice. And this is, like I said, a pretty long chain here. So here's the pendant right here, and then here's the chain. So I would say maybe like 24 inches. I would assume at 12. I don't know, maybe 24 inch long. Cute. I like that. Very, very nice. And let's see, these are kind of, okay. And, you know, they're all packaged the same, so I'm not going to show you each and every package. I just have to figure out where the opening is for this one. Okay. This month I don't seem to be struggling as much. You know, once again, in the, you know, little bubble mailer. Let's get into these. Oh, I see what she was talking about, how they were sticking out through the bubble. Oh, these are cute. And then I will put them on my little tiny thing here. So this is what these look like. Let me see if I don't have to unpost them, just to have them rest here so that I can show them to you. I think the one is bent. Maybe a little bit. So these are the earrings. Cute. And they sort of do match the top here. Let me put the necklace back on. So you can see that the opening sort of does match a little bit. I'll just pull this up tighter so you can see all this trash on my table now. So you can see here that they do, you know, cohesive. This here and the opening at the top, very cute. And you can wear them separately. You don't have to wear them together. I guess I'll just leave that sit there. I like the black side of it too. That's really cute. Let's just untwist this. Yeah, that one earring is bent. I wonder if that's going to make a difference or not. Okay, I have all this trash here. Let me get this off here. I don't have a huge surface to work with, but I need... Okay, get rid of the trash. And then we have one more piece here to open and see what we have. Excited. I love the rings that you get. They're just casual, but adorable. Dropping everything, but and very wearable, and I've never had a problem with any of them. I absolutely love them. So let's see what this is. Ooh, looks like we have another necklace. I'm just trying to get rid of the trash. Wow, this is really cute too. Why is everything all twisted and all bunched up? Okay, so I'm going to take, oops, now I just dropped it. I'm going to take this necklace off, so that I can show you this one. The chain is a little twisted. I'm going to have to play with that a little bit. So then this is the other necklace. And you could wear those earrings with this necklace. There is a twist somewhere I saw, like a little bit of a kink. Did it work itself out? Yeah, I guess it did. So this one, you know, same thing. All the adjustments that you can see there. It still has, oh, can't hold this today. My. Okay. So you can see all the adjustments, and then the Mint Mongoose little tab. And then, you know, so it's a shorter length. This is just a nice, nice silver. And I definitely think you could wear these together. Could you wear these all together? Let's put them all on here. Now, I did order a bigger, like a bust like this. This way I can, and I ordered a different color too. This way there's hopes to see it. So here are the pieces together. So I guess you could wear one longer, one shorter, and the earrings, and wear them together. I definitely think it would go together. I mean, there's nothing there that says that I wouldn't do that. I think they're really, really adorable. So that is the August box, and oh, how nice. It says, "Hi there. This month's set is a tribute to a stunning beauty found in Mother Nature, the Northern Lights." So I guess that necklace is reflective of the Northern Lights. Very, very nice. So that's what it says on that card towards the very top there. And that's why this is of the Northern Lights. I would love to see them in person one day. Very nice. Love that. So like I said, I'm just going to move this out of the way here. I ordered a few extras. She was having a sale, and I figured why not? I would order a few extra pieces, and let's see, well wrapped, you know, in all the good packaging. Let's see this right here. So let's see what we have here. I just want to keep it separate here so that I can see what I have going on here. Okay. So the first, you know, same bags. I'm not going to show you all the bags. I just have to figure out how this one opens. I think I see that. Let me just take everything out here. Let's get rid of that. Is this one going to open? Yep. Oh, this is cute. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is take this set off of here. I'm just going to all rest it back here on the paper so that things don't get all twisted. I'll put that here because I do have some other pieces, and I'll show you here. Okay. So what I got, which I thought was really cute, and then once again, you know, lobster claw clasp, the extensions. Look at this. Isn't this adorable? Wait, I'll show it to you. And this is in silver. Show it to you here. It's a little bit easier. You can see it. And this is just a triangle, and it looks like marble. I thought that would be cute, just like for something a little extra, you know, coming up for the fall to wear with tops. Let's see if there's, and the other side, I guess you could wear it either side, and I'll show you the other side. It's just a little bit lighter. So you can see that side is a little bit lighter, and then the other side, I'll flip it, just was the darker. So I guess you could wear it either side. I like that versatility. Cute. And you know, I did get matching earrings. And I'm trying to think, I honestly don't remember how much these were. Pretty cheap considering, you know, I don't think her prices are super expensive in the first place. Now, if I can just see where this opens. Oh, I see it. Okay. Like I said, love the packaging, but sometimes a little bit of a hassle. I'm going to save that. So let's take these out and see what these look like. And it's the earrings to match. Little studs. Oh, these are cute. If I could just get them in my fingers and hold them. So here's the earrings, and these just have a little bar across the top with the same material, and I'll put them on this so that you guys can see them hopefully a little bit better. I don't like these big backs on them. I will switch them out for just a regular post because I can never ever get these things off. Okay, why can't I do that? Okay, there we go. Let's, okay, so we've got that one on there. And this way I can show you them together. I thought this was really cute, so I got the silver set for myself. Okay. So I'm going to flip the necklace back to the side that matches the earrings, more the lighter color. So here's the earrings and the necklace set. I thought these were really, really cute. And I'm excited to wear them. So cute. I'm trying to think if they were $3 a piece or $6 a piece. I honestly do not remember off the top of my head, but I thought these were adorable. So then what I went ahead and did was in this envelope here, and then in this little bag is the same set that I have right here, but in gold. You know I don't wear gold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a giveaway with the necklace and the earrings in this video. So if you're watching this video, and I will put it in, you know, I'll put it in the envelope here and protect it a little bit better there. And we're going to do a giveaway. And in your comment, I love using the keywords. Just use the word marble, since this is marble looking. So use the word marble in your comment if you would like to be entered into winning the gold set of the necklace and the earrings. And then just real fast, what else I ordered were the little magnetic jewelry. You know, as you get older, and sometimes, you know, it's just really hand dexterity. You have a hard time with bracelets, necklaces. And I saw these on her site. I've thought about them ordering from Amazon, and I saw them on her site. So I said, you know what, I'd rather support somebody that, you know, I know that I currently order from. So they're magnetic. One end is just your clasp. You hook it to your like lobster claw clasp side, and then this side, you know how to use these, and then you hook this to the side that has the clasp on the necklace. This way, when you want to put your necklace on, you just open it, put your necklace on, and as you get closer, the pull is starting, and it just will hook itself. And I will put it on this one to show you. Very simple. I just find it a little bit easier. Sometimes I struggle, and especially if you have nails, it just makes it harder. So I'm just going to hook it on one of these right here. Okay. So now here's my necklace. Okay. And I have that on the necklace. Of course it's going to. Okay. So now I have it on the necklace, and I want to put the necklace on. I just open it on, put the necklace on, and there you go. It's that simple. I ordered 3 of them, and I figured, you know what? I can, as I wear a necklace, if I am struggling to get it on, if there's nobody that could help me and all that good stuff, I do have 3 to use. So there was 1 in this bag, 2 and 3, and I was excited to get them, just, you know, just to make life a little bit easier. So that is the Mint Mongoose and the little bit of extras that I have for the month of August. Don't forget, if you want to enter the giveaway, use the word marble in your comment, and it's M-A-R-B-L-E. in your comment somehow or other, and then we'll use that as a keyword for the comment picker. I have my little book out so that I know when this is going to end. All the rules will be in the description box as always. And let me see. Let's just make this end. I'm not going to keep like these little tiny ones like this open long. This is going to end on Sunday, September the 6th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It'll all be in the description. They're my normal days. I like to make all my giveaways end on Sunday. It's much easier for me than to choose the winner. So if you want to win this set in gold, go ahead, and don't forget, marble is the keyword. It'll all be in the description. So I appreciate you watching, and hope that you enter. And I hope you're all staying safe, healthy, and that you're all happy and enjoying your summer. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.